Welcome to Kahf Ads, where smart targeting meets value. With our advanced contextual tools, you can launch precise campaigns without relying on personal data. Start by choosing your audience's location, target by country, district, or city. Then set their language: Bangla, English, Arabic. Your message speaks directly to them. Customize by device, browser, or operating system, ensuring your ads look and perform their best across every screen. Control when your ads appear, down to the hour or specific days, ideal for Jumu'ah offers, weekend promotions, or evening engagement. Target by mobile carrier, or choose Wi-Fi only for heavier creatives like video. Use IP targeting to reach institutions or specific networks. And with contextual categories, your ad shows alongside relevant content like Islamic finance or modest fashion. No harmful placements. No guesswork. Kahf Ads provides intelligent and accurate targeting. Just clean, compliant, and effective reach. Start your campaign today at kahfads.com, where performance meets purpose.